Let's get to Seema Mody and see what's moving with the Dow down 100. Morning, Seema.
Good morning, Carl. We are decisively lower this Monday morning following 5 weeks of gains for the S&P 500, down about 0.5% for the major indices here in the U.S. Dow currently trading at 27,581. But it's important to note that this negative session or this negative tone really started overseas. Hong Kong protests seeing one of its worst or most violent days since June, and the markets did respond. Hong Kong ETF, the Shanghai Composite, down about 2 to 2.5%. Back here in the U.S., the conversation here on the trading floor really around this internal rotation that we're seeing into cyclical stocks. Take a look at the industrials. They hit a new high on Friday after Goldman Sachs raised its price target on shares of Caterpillar. A lot of this really having to do with the prospect of a limited trade truce deal. Plus, the move in bond yields, that's certainly reinforcing this move that we're seeing in industrials among other cyclical sectors. Analysts now say that earnings from Deere, that will confirm whether this sector is really bottoming out. The farm equipment maker, remember, has cut production a number of times in 2019, yet the stock is trading near all-time highs. Not really on the fundamental story, but on trade optimism. Let's move on to the consumer earnings. This week will really give us more details on the health of the consumer. We have CVS, Walmart on Thursday, JCPenney on Friday. Plus, on the economic front, retail sales for the month of October, plus inflation. So that data point will be very much in focus. Speaking of the consumer, online travel continues to trade under pressure. These online travel operators, Oppenheimer, cutting its price target and downgrading shares of EXPEDIA. This is the fifth downgrade for EXPEDIA after reporting earnings last week. A lot of concern about Google's new algorithm pushing down search engine results, which has made it harder for EXPEDIA and even TripAdvisor to generate more free traffic. And that, of course, has put more pressure on these names to increase marketing costs. You can see EXPEDIA now down about 12% so far this year.